And then they also had like a 1+1+1 deal.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
Korea is the heaven for deals and sales. CNP is from a beauty clinic in Korea called Cha. It is a very well-known like cosmetic beauty clinic in Korea, and then they had CNP, which is their cosmetic brand. I'm not sure if this is true, but back in the early 2000s, Cha like was the best like beauty clinic in Korea.
I mean, the name is CNP Laboratory, so it gives it like the very official clinic type feel to it.
So apparently, our PD님 just found this out that Cha is Cha and Pak. They're the directors of the clinic, and that's how CNP and Cha clinic became to be.
Two names smashed together.
Again,
There we go. Fusion.
fusion is the future in Korea.
Everything's like chimek.
Lipcerin.
Kim Doksun.
What the heck is that?
김밥 떡볶이 순대.
So we went to Olive Young, right? We were the chosen ones. We had to run out of the office and go film during working hours, which was pretty fun. It was like a field trip.
Fun. Yeah.
Yeah. Apparently CNP is like,
It's doing very well
it's doing very well, so we want to ride the wave with them.
The very first product I actually tested when I started working here was the CNP Laboratory serum. Like I made like videos for that.
The Propolis Ampule?
The Propolis Ampule and the toner. Yeah, they're pretty good products.
I don't like Propolis because as an acne skin, Propolis sometimes doesn't work. I had an allergic reaction to Propolis before, so I was really hesitant to try it for this shooting, but I am obsessed. Well, I think I like CNP Propolis because I'm afraid to try other brand with propolis in it.
Do you know where propolis comes from?
Bees.
What it is? Yeah. It's a natural substance from bees, and it's actually been used for like thousands of years as it's anti-inflammatory. It's like, it was something to help aid with like if you had teeth infections and stuff like that, but it's like been used in medicine for like thousands of years. So like, it's not like it's something new, but now it's just being incorporated into skincare.
Yeah, and because it has propolis, the texture is very like, almost like a snail mucin, I guess.
It's like slippery.
It
slides
slippery,
across the skin very nicely.
Not slimy, slippery is the
Yeah.
better way to say it. It feels super glowy and super vibrant afterwards, and I used it day and night for a couple of days, and I already love it. And now I can't put it down now.
stop.
I can't stop now. And I'm in love with propolis, and CNP literally changed my mind. Remember when we went to Olive Young? The thing was sold out. We couldn't get it.
Yeah, a lot of the products were sold out. And then they also had like a 1+1+1 deal.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, Korea is the heaven for deals and sales. I was so like heartbroken because I couldn't actually buy the product when we went to Olive Young. But thankfully, through this shooting, PD님 gave me samples and I was allowed to try it, and I loved it so much. But the only thing I couldn't try was the Lipcerin. And guess what happened? Literally 10 minutes ago, I bought it. I bought it on CNP official store.
They're having a big sale.
They're having a big sale. They're having like 50% discounts right now and no shipping free. And I was like, plus, I got it. This smells divine.
And it tastes delicious.
And I'm pretty sure, like, 팀장님, try this because it literally smells like belief. Like,
But I feel like it smells just like...
그쵸?
비슷하다.
Goosebumps.
I feel like it smells exactly like the serum does though. Like it has like the whole line, like all of them have the same scent.
Just like we talked about the Belief Lipcerin, this one also has the applicator where you like twist and the product comes up, so it's hygienic. Oh, I love it.
And apparently you can actually use it for more than just your lips. Like
it's a
you can use it,
multi-balm.
yeah, you can use it for multiple different things. Personally, when it comes to like things that I put on my lips, you unconsciously are licking your lips all the time. So if you have something that doesn't taste good, then like, I don't know, I don't like that. I mean, you know, you don't eat it, but like you get like a little taste.
You
every now
still
and
eat
then.
it. Because and it tastes better than the Belief one.
Yeah,
Because we tried eating it. You know those lip balms that like you push it up and it's like in these waxy tube, what do you call it? Lipstick applicators?
Yeah.
Those don't hydrate your lips as much because to be solid, they use wax in it. So it doesn't hydrate
So it
your
just
lips
sits
as
on your
much.
lips.
That's right. It gives you the gloss on the outer side of your lips, but it doesn't really hydrate or moisturize you anything. However, these products, they deeply go into your skin and into your pores so that it hydrates your lips.
I think this is the only one, like this one, I did like the the smack test to like check, because like when you smack your lips and stuff together, a lot of times like lip glosses and stuff will leave a white film or something. And I think this is the one that like it didn't, like even as I was going, it didn't like leave like any film or like anything whatsoever. I love using lip masks all throughout the day because if they make lip gloss. Yeah, I love lip gloss, and if it can last all day and like hydrate and give me soft lips, because I got crusty lips all the time. So if it makes me
looking juicy right now.
Right.
And then, have you tried the Blackhead kit?
I have tried the Blackhead kit. So like it has a yellow mask with it, and then it also has the black one that you like peel off. Yeah, like
because I had the one. Maybe it's different. I did the pore opening one. Was it the minty one? That
minty.
It watered my eyes a little bit.
Oh yeah.
I was like, like this the whole time. And then after that, it was like a very essence-y sheet. And then I put it in. I realized that that one kind of melts the gunks.
Oh, it could like clean your pores.
And then I used the Q-tip to like scuff up, and there's like yellow residue, but it wasn't like blackheads.
Because it could be like when you look at your nose, you have like blackheads and then also like whiteheads. So it could be like the extra excess like dirt and stuff that was inside or sebum that like it pulls out. Sounds like it cleaned your nose pretty well then. Gunk off. That would be such a good name for a nose mask. Gunk off.
And it's not expensive, that's the thing. Even though they sell it in like department stores. This one, I got this for like $9 basically.
Like not even 9, probably like 8, like $7.50.
Right.
Like
apparently the Propolis mist is also really good.
Oh, they had that at the Olive Young. It's like the Propolis Mist Ampule. The satisfaction of like,
and it doesn't like it's like
a soft spray. Let's say your face is like really dry, but you have like on your makeup and everything. So like you don't want to rub it all over your fingers, right? You can just like mist it over, hydrate, and make yourself
over
glossy
makeup.
All at once.
I love that. I'm actually gonna go to Olive Young right now and buy it because I really need a good mist over my makeup because it feels dry and then you get creases and
you need something to hydrate.
I never used to think about these concerns like last year. I didn't even care, but thanks to like Style Korean, thanks to like researching and like educating myself, I'm like I should take care of myself.
Skincare is so dangerous because the more you look into it, the deeper you dive, and it's like a rabbit hole that you never. It's like Alice in the Wonderland, but you never come out. You just keep falling.
Yep, I'm still falling. Let's recommend one product each. Lipcerin, I already said it. Try the Lipcerin.
I've had the Lipcerin from the very beginning.
I know. She recommended to me, so I'm recommending it to you. So you choose another one.
Ampule. I'll take the Ampule. You've been talking about the Ampule from the beginning.
All right, so you recommend the Lipcerin then.
Lipcerin.
Ampule.
Okay.
Love the Ampule. Love the Lipcerin actually. Love both of them.
Sweet, juicy, plump lips.
And acne-free Propolis.
Yes.
Okay. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.